Hey, I'm Darcy, and welcome to Screencasts Online. Today, we're deep diving into a screen recording app called iShowU from Shiny White Box. This year, they've added some major updates and created a very sophisticated and easy-to-use screen recorder that covers full screen, cropped, and individual app capture features, along with audio capture and layers to rearrange your elements before making a recording. There are many different options for exporting, with quality scaling and even the ability to schedule your records. iShowU can be downloaded from the developer website or accessed as part of a setup subscription. Open iShowU and we land directly on the video and audio page. We'll start here too and work our way down the list in the left-hand column, discovering all of iShowU's features. First, under the Videos section, I'll click where it says Built-in Retina Display. These are the settings for starting a recording that captures your entire screen. And under this dropdown, we can see the available screens. I have a second monitor plugged in, and that's known as the Odyssey. After selecting a display, you can decide whether you want the max cursor to be visible during your recording. Toggle this off or on here, but you can't change it within an actual recording. Then move over to the right, where we have canvas size. Under this dropdown, we have several different resolutions. The native resolutions for both my built-in Retina display and the Odyssey display, as well as different 4K, 1080, and 720p resolutions. It's important to understand though that the canvas size is different than your display size. For instance, my built-in Retina display is larger than a 4K resolution. If I select 4K video as the canvas size, then my display size will be pressed in and compressed to fit within this 4K resolution. Beneath this option, we have the selected area line. Here we have ratios such as 1:1 and 2:2. When I select these, it changes the canvas size accordingly to match that ratio. By now, some of you may have noticed this line at the bottom of the application that changes every time we change a setting. Here we have the resolution, the frame rate, the expected video size, and the audio channels. This is a handy way of keeping tabs on all the changes that you've made, with a quick view of where everything sits. Head back up to the selected area line, and this time click the crop icon. A box appears on screen, indicating the area that will be captured if we use this feature. You can click and drag the dots to resize it, and notice in the top left corner that the resolution also changes, so you can always keep track of exactly how big this is relative to the canvas size. There are preset resolutions at the bottom as well. Change from custom to 1080p, and the box snaps into place. Then you can click and drag it to reposition. And lastly, for cropping, you can manually enter resolution size in either of the two text boxes in the right-hand corner. When you're all set, hit return to exit this mode. Now, next to the drop-down saying built-in Retina display, we have a blue cropped indicator, just letting us know that we're currently using a cropped resolution. Click the button saying Show beneath it, and a green box appears on the screen, indicating what will be recorded based on our cropping. It fades away by itself after a moment. If you no longer wish to use the crop, just hit the trash can icon on the right.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.